Hey, what's going on everybody? Josh Quinones here, back from Unpacked with an official Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, brand new in the box. I gotta give a huge shout out to my boy Sydney. This is actually his device that he's going to be letting me unbox. He was the lucky one that gets to take this home with him. So he's cool enough to let me go ahead and unbox this for the channel so I can show all of you guys. And we're also going to get a first impressions with this official unboxing right here. Now this is the 256 gigabyte model with 12 gigabytes of RAM, Snapdragon 855 processor. It's got a 4300 milliamp battery and the 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display. All right, so of course in front of the box we got the S Pen with the Note 10 Plus branding right in the front. Turn it around to the back. Unlocked by Samsung. We got more Samsung logo right here. Galaxy Note 10 Plus package contains Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, the S Pen, wall charger, USB connector, stereo headset, a quick start guide that nobody cares about, terms and condition, which nobody cares about as well. All right, so let's go ahead and get this box open. Here we go, and here is the beast itself, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 in Aura Glow. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. Let me go ahead and take the plastic off here. One of the most satisfying parts of doing these unboxings here. And look at that. Let me do a quick wipe down really quick. All right, so I got it all nice and wiped down, and look at that. Look how beautiful it is. It changes different colors no matter which way you turn. I can turn it this way. It's got a little rainbow effect on the bottom. Turn it this way. You got the rainbow effect on top. It's actually really, really nice in person. And please excuse the lighting. The lighting in hotels are never really that good. So I'm doing the best I can here. All right, so in the back, we got the 3-camera setup. We got the flash and the time of flight sensor. Let's go ahead and turn to the front, see if it's got some juice in it. Now, if you've watched my first impressions video from the Unpacked event, I did point out that there is a power button and the volume rockers on one side. The power button is no longer on the right side. So that might bother some people because we're so used to the Samsung devices having the power button on the right side of the device. But now that they moved it to this side, it might bother some. This is just something we're going to have to learn to get used to. And another thing is they also paired this with the Bixby button. So not only is it the power button, but it is also the Bixby button. So I'm not sure how that's going to work out. Of course, I'm going to cover that in my full review. Let's see if it has any juice. And there we go. So I'm going to go ahead and set this to the side for now. Let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. And look at that. We got some AKG wired earbuds over here. But of course, there is no headphone jack on the device. So let's see if these come with the USB connector down at the bottom. Yes, they do. Look at that. So you don't need a dongle for these. These come already ready to go to plug into your device. So it's pretty cool that they went ahead and included these in the box with the device. Let me go ahead and set that over to the side. And then we have the USB charging cable, USB Type-C, as you can see right there. USB Type-C. Let me go ahead and throw that to the side. And then we have the charging brick as well. Super fast charging. This is a 25-watt super fast charger, which is a big jump from the 18-watt fast charger that they usually include in the box. So that's another upgrade right there. Now it does have the capability to charge at 45 watts fast charging, but they do not include that in the box. Of course, we have to order that separately. Now let's go ahead and see what's in this little box right here. And this is just another adapter right here. So let me go ahead and throw all of this to the side. Let's go ahead and throw this box to the side and then take a look at the Note 10 Plus itself. As you can see there, it's on and ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and have my boy Sydney set this up, put all his information in, and then we'll take a little deeper dive into the device so you can get a better look at it. And while he's setting it up, I'd like to quickly thank the sponsors of this video, Rinky. Rinky is a case manufacturer that makes great quality cases at an affordable price for all types of devices. They look great and provide great protection as well. I've done plenty of drop tests with these cases and they always protect the device very, very well, leaving no cracks or scratches. They have plenty of cool options to choose from, like the ones I have here and more. And if you find yourself interested and want to pick some up for yourself, especially for that new Note device, I'll make sure to drop a link down in the description below. All right, so we got the phone all set up and ready to go, and look at this. Let me turn the brightness up a little bit here on the display. It's looking absolutely beautiful. Look at that display. You know, I really like I said in my last video, I really like that they moved the hole punch from the right like we have on the Galaxy S10 Plus, and they moved it right to the middle. In my opinion, it just looks a lot better that way. And they also took away some of the bezels are a lot thinner as well, giving you more of that bezel-less display experience. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. And as far as responsiveness goes, look how snappy this is. Look at that. So as you can see, it is just running super smooth. Really snappy. I love how responsive it is. Now, one thing that I did notice is the fingerprint sensor. So let me go ahead and bring the fingerprint sensor up. And if you can see there, it is a lot higher than what we have on the Galaxy S10 Plus. So a lot of you that are maybe thinking about coming from the S10 or S10 Plus, it's going to be a bit of a change because you're going to be used to always putting your thumb down here and it's not going to work. You got to make sure you put it just a bit higher and then you'll be able to unlock your phone. But if you're not looking at your device, you're automatically going to start putting your thumb down here. Why isn't my device unlocking? Oh yeah, that's right. I have to move my thumb a little higher for it to unlock. But as far as it actually working the speed of this fingerprint sensor, it actually works pretty good. Look at that. Let's do it one more time. Working very snappy. One more time. Look at that. Working good. So as far as the fingerprint sensor goes, it's working good. Okay, now I quickly want to show you guys the S Pen features, the air gestures that you now have with this S Pen. It's actually pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and launch the camera to show you guys this. All you got to do is press and hold. Boom, camera comes up. As you can see, I'm on the selfie camera right now. So I'm going to go ahead and switch between modes right here. All you got to do is press and hold, go to the side, let go, and it'll switch. Go to the side again. Look at that. Look how cool that is. And if you want to switch to the rear-facing camera, all you got to do is swipe up. And boom, there you go. It didn't work the first time, but you know, this is something you're going to have to get used to. And once you start doing it more and more, you're eventually going to get the feel of it. So you can see there, let me try one more time. Boom. Now it's working every time. Switch to video. Switch to live focus video. This is something actually pretty cool too. Now I did tell you guys in another video that I will be doing a full in-depth camera review. You guys already know how I do it. I love doing as much video as I can, reviewing the camera, whether it's a night video test, 4K video test, photo test. You already know. And if there's anything specific you want to see me do with this device once I do get my own device in hand, pre-orders are actually tonight, so I'm going to make sure to pre-order mine. So if there's stuff you want to see, make sure to leave a comment down below of videos you want me to make, and I will do my best to go ahead and bring that content out for you guys. This was just more of an unboxing, kind of first impressions of what comes in the box and the actual device itself. And so far, I think it looks absolutely beautiful. This thing is a beast. If I compare it here to my Galaxy Note 9, let me go ahead and put it side by side with the Note 9, just so we can kind of get a size comparison here. There we go. So holding them side by side, the phones themselves actually look about the same size, but the display on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is actually bigger because the bezels are a lot thinner than what we have on the Galaxy Note 9. So that is a big improvement coming from the Galaxy Note 9 to the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. It's looking great. Let's go ahead and take one last look at the back of the device. Let me go ahead and do a quick wipe down. So there you go. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is in the Aura Glow color. You guys, let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. If you're planning on getting this device for yourself, let me know, and let me know what model you're getting as well, the regular Note 10 or the Note 10 Plus. Make sure to leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.
Good.